One of the biggest challenges has always been missing trades, getting out too early, getting in too early. Well, now we don't need to worry about those things because now the system and the automation and the AI can do this all for you. So I'm going to walk you through a demonstration of how much money the system would have made for you all on autopilot. So for step number one, we're not just going to let the system decide whether to go long or short. We're going to put some manual input into this to start with, and this is the real secret, guys. You know, if you just let an automated trading system go long and short, then it's going to run riot, but we don't do that here. What we want to do is get a buy signal. So first we identify a buy signal from us manually scanning the markets, looking for a trade. This is the German DAX here. A buy signal on the Pro Trading system will be a red into a green. Okay, then the stop gets put in place and profit targets get generated. So we go up here, we're nicely long the market. Now, trading college students would be long here and buying this market, the German DAX. Got nice momentum and it's gone all the way up and it's turned red here, and you would exit the trade. Now, throughout this period, okay, you know, you're going to be managing the trade, putting the trading stop feature on. But let's show you how to do this all on autopilot and see how much money, and look at the stats from this trade with an AI autopilot generated machine. Okay, so we've got the signal. Now we come into our AI here and we want to now set the trade up because, you know, you might be going on holiday or you might be busy at work. So you've got the signal from the Pro Trading system. Now we want to go and set it up to take the trades for us. So we're going to write just the name of the trade here. It's going to be a DAX momentum long. We're going to just use a balance of 10,000. It's pretty low for most funded accounts. Then we're going to come and find the market. Okay, so it's not in the FX pairs. We're going to find it in the equities here. We're going to find the German DAX. Click on OK, and we're going to take buy signals on the 15 and 1 hour time frame. We're not going to do sell signals because the Pro Trading system's green. We're just going to do buy signals. We're going to run it down here. It's the indicator and system we're going to be using, what we named it. We're going to buy at market. We're not going to put any pending orders in. We're going to risk 1% per trade. Our stop's going to be at the last swing. We're going to be doing a 2-to-1 risk reward ratio. And don't forget, you could test this beyond this video and lesson. You could go and test to see which one was the best profit taking ratio here, whether it was a 3.5 or a 2. You can go and test that separately. So we're going to come down here. We're going to look at the date. So we started on the 2nd of May on that signal up until today. Okay, so no optimization for this. We're just going to let the system run. We could optimize it if we wanted to, even greater, and get some very nice results, but we're going to run it here. Okay, so these are the actual results. We did 54 trades in that period. It made £8,712 with a 10 grand account. You can see the returns here are pretty good. Drawdowns really low at 6.32 here. Volatility 0, stagnation 3 days, win rate was 72%. You had 39 winners and 15 losers. Average win was 2% here. Our average loss was £148 and our average win was £280. Risk reward best here at 2.07, and expectancy was fantastic at 1.22. So a lovely £8,000 profit, guys. All on autopilot. You didn't do anything here besides get the signal at first. Man and machine worked absolutely perfectly. If you just kept the machine running on its own without any long or short bias, then things don't go well. Once you get the Pro Trading system firing a momentum trade, you then turn the system on, you turn the automation on, you turn the AI on, and it does the work for you. You don't even need to be there at your screens. You become a bit like a fund manager where you're managing that management account here of 10,000, and you're looking for those trades that are setting up going into big momentum moves, and then you turn on the autopilot. Once those moves are over, you pause it, and then you stop and you don't put more trades on. Okay, why would you do that? There's no point when the Pro Trading system turns red. You don't want to be doing any more long trades. You just pause it and just click the pause button. Hope this helps, guys. I'm going to be doing a webinar on Tuesday, okay, next week, where we're going to go through all this in much more detail and how this really can help your trading all on autopilot. And this is just pretty much 1% of what this does. We've got lots of practice and training areas in here where you can see what the best markets are to trade, what the best time frames are to trade, and what the best results are. So it really is a testing dashboard training system as well as a live trading automated AI system, and you can link these to your funded accounts as well. So a lovely piece of kit here, guys. All right, hope it helps. Join me on the webinar. Speak to you soon.